Welcome to how to put new password in Instagram. So in this video we are going to show you how to put new password in Instagram. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna have to do, you just need to open up your Instagram account, and then you will tap on your profile picture here. Okay, and this will open up your Instagram account, and after this you will tap on these three lines at the top right here. Then you will tap on settings and privacy, and then from here you will tap on accounts center, and then from here tap on password and security, and then tap on change password, and then choose Instagram. And now here you can basically enter a new password for your Instagram. So first of all, you need to enter the previous password that you are now using, and then from here you can enter a new password. After this you can tap on change password. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.